So when we talk about the twin flame journey, it's the feminine who gets awakened first in most of the cases, right? She gets to know about the divine masculine. But is the same thing happens with divine masculines as well? Do they also get awakened on the journey? Do they also feel the same things which the feminines feel? So can you just put on some words to that?
Sure. So, a divine masculine's journey is a little bit different than the divine feminine. Now, divine feminine is a spiritual twin, while the divine masculine is a matrix twin. He is a three-dimensional twin. So, the divine feminine is meant to do most of her work. Yes, she will also work in the 3D realm, but most of her work is done in the 5D, right? And in case of a divine masculine, most of the work is done in the 3D realm. The way a feminine awakens and she ascends is different than how a masculine awakens. So the feminine must be thinking already that is my divine masculine also going through the same pain that I am feeling? Is he also dealing with the same? The answer to that is yes, they go through the pain, but in a very different way. How? The painful elements in their life are triggered by their karma, right? It is the karma of their present lifetime and their past lifetime that they have to clear. It is the karma also that they have chosen by rejecting the divine feminine. That has to be cleared first. So once the divine masculine has cleared the karmic blueprint, then he awakens. Awakening happens on both the sides, but first it is like the design has been such that in this day and age, the feminine is awakened first to the inner work, and then the masculine follows. He takes the lead. But first, if the DF is not doing the inner work, then how would the masculine awaken, right? So in divine feminine's life, awakening happens also through her family dynamics, in the immediate family that she is. Even her parents and her siblings and friends could become, they could bring very, very different kinds of triggers in order to awaken her. And then, of course, the cherry on the top of the cake, divine masculine is there to awaken her, with all the triggers and the suffering that is created. But that suffering turns her into a diamond. कहते हैं कि एक जो हीरा होता है उसको बहुत तराशा जाता है तभी वो हीरा बनता है. ये है डिवाइन फेमिनिन की जर्नी. और जो डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन है उनको भी तराशा जा रहा है. ही इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग ग्रिल्ड बाय द यूनिवर्स, बट ना different manner, by the karmic people, by the karmic circumstances, maybe by their jobs, whatever design they have chosen for themselves, the earthly karma. So yes, there are differences, but both twins will get awakened and both twins do unite, both in the spiritual realm and also in the 3D realm. My name is Dr. Surbhi and I am a Kundalini expert, a twin flame guide and a spiritual doctor. I first started coaching people when I was only 18 years old. Yes, you heard that right. Over the last 15 years, I have helped thousands of people lead a spiritually aligned life. From giving them personalized guidance to putting together powerful spiritual retreats and events, to writing books and even appearing on national TV and renowned stages, I have done it all. And now I have combined my 15 years of expertise to lead you on your spiritual journey. If you are a spiritual coach, a trainer, or a healer, and you have this burning desire within you to help out people in your community, look no further than my spiritual coach training and certification, the Goddess Rising. Inside the Goddess Rising, I will equip you with the tools and spiritual practices from ancient India and ancient Egypt. It is within the time period of the coaching that your power is amplified and you begin to attract not just soul-aligned clients, but even soul-aligned celebrities and hidden opportunities, including beautiful miracles that are just in the hindsight. If you feel this message is for you, my friend, I call you out to step into your greatness. You can simply reach out to me on my Instagram. I will be waiting for you on the other side.